Hey guys, this is Platinum Affiliates. Just wanted to let you guys know that we're just about ready to launch our drop shipping website. This is Tactical Authority, and this is a full blown drop shipping website used with Ali Dropship, the WooCommerce plugin. And as you can see, we have the various images that we uploaded from AliExpress and different categories. Well, I'll scroll back up to the top, and so we used um, menu, four different menu options to for this website. We got the navigation menu, which is here. Let's go back to home, and so this is our home page. You can see a beautiful selected images. Different some of the different products that we have on the website, and just excellent. And so this is our home page, and just want to scroll through and let you see what we've successfully imported and designed. This is a premium theme, and as you can see here, all of our pages are fully functional. Let's look at our terms and conditions. I'm not going to read everything here, but you can see we have a terms and condition page. We have our return policy set up. Um, Frequently asked questions. Here's our products category. Some of the things you can, and this is fully expandable. So if you want to build this up and add more items, you can do so at any time. We have our shop page, our checkout, our account. All of these are fully functional, and so this is a beautiful website. Let's go ahead and take a look at our account page. So this is just something that we've been able to take care of. You can go through here, and as each of your customers sign up for their own account, they'll be able to manage all of their account information here. And so this is all done with free themes. The only thing we had to purchase was our website, our domain name. We had to purchase web hosting, and we also are using the Ali Dropship WooCommerce plugin. So if you're interested, I'll put those links down in the description, and you can go and take a look and see if that's something you're interested in. All right. Well, once again, this is Platinum Affiliates. This is one of our